I defeated the robots. But what now? The only reason they died is because they tried to stop me from killing more people. Maybe I should just live a normal life instead of killing more people. Let's see what's on the news today.
There's a superpower like Melon with ice powers. He has freezed and killed a lot of people just in one day. If anyone helps defeat him, you will be saving the city and be rewarded with 10,000 Mel coins. He is currently located at Pineapple Street. Oh no, he found me.
I gotta help.
Oh my gosh, it's the frost melon. We're all dead, we should have never came here. Well, it was nice knowing you guys. This really sucks. This is your fault for wanting to come here, Jack. You could have just gone alone, but you wanted us to come. We are all dead because of you now. Why do all of our voices sound the same? That doesn't matter right now, just run. What did I do to deserve this? Why am I being killed? I don't want to freeze to death when it's the summer. Please no, I don't deserve this.
Why is your voice so deep? Also, I am here to stop you from freezing people. We'll see about that. Now prepare to die, you cold-blooded murderer.
Is cold-blooded supposed to be a joke towards me?
Now get electrocuted.
I didn't even have to touch you to freeze you. What a weakling. What a huge waste of my time.
Do you really think I would die so easily?
Did I hear something? Not bad for a weakling. Just because you punched me through 2 buildings still doesn't mean you're stronger, weakling. I still can freeze you in one touch. Why didn't you freeze?
The lighting and electricity that runs in my body, I use that to melt the ice so fast it doesn't look like I froze. Now let's get this fight started.